causes hiccups? And medicine beyond the basics with Dr. Edwin. Don't forget to like, share, follow for more information. Hiccups is caused when there is irritation of the nerves, the vagus phrenic nerves, which causes the diaphragm, which separates the chest cavity from your abdominal cavity, to contract. When that contracts, it forces you to suck in air. This causes the glottis, which is the space between your vocal cords, to shut quickly to prevent more air from coming in. That causes the hic in the hiccup. We have no control over those nerves because they control involuntary body functions. That's why you have no control over the hiccup.